welcome to Salsita Linda. My name is Alexis and today we are going to be cooking Mexican rice.
For the ingredients, you will need 1 cup of extra long rice, 2 Roma tomatoes with the pits removed, 1/4 of a white onion, 1 garlic clove, and 1 serrano. You can also use jalapeno if you'd like. Then take a knife and pierce right through the chili to release those juices. This isn't going to make your rice spicy, instead the serrano adds more flavor. And to fry your rice, you will need 2 tablespoons of minced white onion, 1 garlic clove, and finally, salt to taste. Next, add the tomatoes, onions, and garlic to a blender and puree. Puree the ingredients until everything is perfectly mixed, then set aside. Now we're going to fry the rice. Set the burner to medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil to your pan. After a minute, add a few grains of rice to test the heat. If the rice starts bubbling, the oil is ready. Once the oil is hot enough, add the rice to your pan and stir. Make sure to stir frequently for even cooking. After 2 minutes of frying, add the minced onion and garlic to your pan. Continue stirring so you don't burn the rice, onion, or the garlic. Once your rice begins to brown, add the tomato puree we made earlier. Lower the heat and stir. When your rice has absorbed the juice from the tomato, add 2 cups of hot salt water. I add 2 teaspoons of salt to the water prior to pouring it in the rice for a nice even flavor. Next, add the serrano and let everything come to a boil. Taste for flavor, then cover your pan and let everything cook on low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you will see that the tomatoes have moved to the edges of the pan. So now we're going to fluff the rice and evenly mix in the tomatoes. While mixing everything, make sure to be gentle so you don't break the rice. Once the ingredients are mixed, cover your pan and continue cooking. After 2 minutes, turn off your burner and let the rice cook for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, your rice is ready to be served.